Hi, this is Kathy, and this is just a short video to show the STRangeMarker using either the ST range bar or the ST wrinkle bar. Okie doke. It does not work on the minute bars. All right. Right now, yes, this is the 20 ST range 20 bar. Okay. So we have the upside and the downside range that price will need to take out to form a new bar. Okay, and so right now, as you can see, the last bar is inside the previous bar. So we're in a sideways range. And once price can take out the 2104.50, it increases the probability of upside. Or if it can take down the 98.75, it increases the probability of going to the downside. Okay. Now, this has been in an uptrend. Okay, this is an uptrend move, right? And interesting enough, once price takes out the lower part of the range marker, the inclination is it's going to attempt to break down the trend. All right, now it could just breach it. Now, when you're watching the range marker live, it will adjust according to what is going on with the current bar. So just observe it. Don't trade off of it. Just observe it first. But it does give you a good clue. It does give you a good parameter for placing stops. In other words, if I was wanting to go long, I could place it anywhere from 1 to 5 ticks below the bottom of the range marker, right? Now 20 range bar is pretty big, so that's a lot. So you need to be aware of how much is it when you place your stop, okay? But regardless, my stop would be below this bottom of the range marker, right? If I was stalking a short, then I could place my stop above the top of the range marker, and if price goes above it, the inclination is it's going to try to keep going higher. These are all just probabilities, and this is just another tool that can possibly help you if you connect with it. Okay, let's just look at another example. Let's look at CL, and we'll look at an ST wrinkle bar. This is a range bar. So let's see. This is a big range for CL, right? And so let's just see what's going on with an ST wrinkle bar. And let's do it smaller, like, let's do 4. Don't need that much data. And you can have different sizes. And what you can do is when price is, what was I going to say? Okay, when price takes out the range marker on a smaller bar size, it may give you a clue with what's going on with the higher bar size, okay? Now, okay, this line is from when I did a video just a second ago and forgot to turn on the sound. Okay, so here we are in a very short bar size, very small bar size for CL, okay? And you can see it's in a defined uptrend for this particular swing, right? Let's use this one. So as long as price holds above this range marker low, the inclination is it's going to continue to go higher. Now, if price is able to fall below there, you might want to be cautious. If you went long from this breakout of this swing point, right? Then you're going to want to take some profits, protect your position, tighten your stop, whatever. It's just a heads up, because as long as it holds above the bottom of the range marker, it's saying it's still trying to seek new range bars to the upside, right? And when it takes out the top of it, it increases that probability. Now this is, it's currently testing a bearish bat PRZ area. It happens to correlate with the top of this particular range marker. Right now, the range marker is going to be different with each bar size that you use, whether it be range, Renko, 4, 10, 20, 50, whatever. If you'd noticed, on my SPY charts, I've been using 50 range bars, okay? All right, anyway, so this is going to be important, and it's a probability. If it's going to be a valid bat, to go into retracement mode to the downside. And so this is going to be an area to watch for a potential short or snapback at that 49.65, which correlates with the top of the range marker. Okay, and then you wouldn't have to risk much, but don't do it blindly. Look at price action. I mean, right now we have a defined uptrend, we have an upside scion dot, and so there's nothing to say to get out of the trade at this juncture, right? Okay, it's just another tool. I hope you enjoy it.